Hey you guys, today we're going to make the Tuff Tushy Scrub to go with our Tuff Tushy Cream. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see Rico now. So the first thing that he's going to add is the Tuff Tushy scent, which I created. Smells similar to Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream scent, but it is just a little different. So we put that down in there first. All right, next we're going to add a grapefruit powder. And the grapefruit powder is just to stimulate your skin and keep it. It has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it'll help to keep your skin looking vibrant and shiny and pretty. Next, we're going to add organic cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is absolutely terrific for your skin. This has caffeine in it, so this is what's going to tighten and firm. Part of what's going to tighten and firm. The next thing that we're going to add is the organic green banana flour. Banana powder helps with cellulite and little dimples in your skin. This is one of the things in it that will smooth your skin. And next we're going to add our scrub sauce. I can't tell you what's in that because it's a secret. That's a proprietary blend. So we're putting our scrub sauce in there, but what this does is it moisturizes. It's got our water soluble moisturizer for one thing in it. Next we're going to add our whipped soap. Now we make our whipped soap actually from scratch. So this bucket we made on a different day. But we add our homemade whipped soap to it. All right, now we're just gonna blend these things together while we measure out our sugar that's gonna go in here in just a moment. I'm not sure what color this is gonna be. I'm gonna say it's probably gonna be brownish. So now we've measured our sugar that's going to go into the pot. I'm going to pour the sugar in. Oh, it smells delicious. I'm going to put this in the piping bag and get ready to pipe our scrub. Got this jar that or this pitcher actually that we use, and I'm going to put the piping bag down in there and put the scrub in there. These are our jars that we're going to put it in. These have already been sprayed with alcohol to sanitize them. And then we're just going to pretty up the tops a little bit. We're going to test it out, show you how it lathers up. And Smells so good, doesn't it?